What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and today, as you can see, UAG was kind enough to send me out 2 cases for the S24 Ultra. This is the dummy unit. But anyways, these are the Plyo series and the Playo Pro. So we're gonna unbox these and check them out on the dummy unit. So pretty much you have 16 feet drop protection. This is what the back of the case looks like. I love UAG's products because they always come with nice products, sturdy products for your devices. So first, let's open up the Plyo and let's see what we get here. If I can get it open without tearing it up. So this is just the Plyo series. I have this exact same case for my iPhone 15 Pro Max, but this is the Plyo series. It's just a clear case, and as you always know, I'm a sucker for a clear case. So now let me pull it up real quick so you can see how much it will run you on their website, if we can find it. Let me type it in real quick. S24 Ultra. We want the Plyo. We want the Plyo and the Playo Pro. Alright, here's the Plyo series. This is the one they sent me right here. Like I said, this is the clear version. This case will run you $39.95. But I will make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick this up for yourself. But anyways, this is what the Plyo series looks like. I don't know how well you can see that, but I didn't want to have that in the background. But anyways, this is the case, so we're gonna just drop it on the S24 Ultra dummy like so, and let's wipe the screen down. But anyways, this is that look that you're gonna get with a clear case. So it all depends on what color phone you pick up. You know, this could really look great if you get like that grayish color, that violet color, black. It's okay with black, but you know, if you get some of those colorful ones, it'll really look nice. But anyways, you do get a nice lip at the top here for drop protection. If you drop it flat down on the table, you will be good to go. I just recommend you throw on a screen protector for even better protection. Over here, you do get nice buttons. These are kind of tough to push, but this is a dummy unit, so that could be why. But these are kind of tough to push, or just FYI, they're kind of tough to push. If you have the device, it might be a little easier, but for me, it's kind of tough to push. But they do feel nice, though. Down here, you get all your cutouts that you are supposed to have. You get your USB-C, your microphone, and your S Pen. It looks like you'll be able to get in there real good and get that out of there. On the back here, you do get a nice cutout for your camera, as you can see. So if you place it flat down on the table on the back of the cameras, you shouldn't have anything to worry about. It does say UAG down here. But overall, this is a nice looking and feeling case. Like I said, UAG always brings heat to the table when they are making their cases, and I really do love and appreciate what UAG has to offer on their cases. So this was the Plyo, so I'm going to put that over here. Now we're going to move on to the Playo Pro. Pretty much, I think what is the difference between this and the Plyo and the Playo Pro is this has the MagSafe capability, so I'm guessing that's why they're calling it Pro. They sent this over to me in a green color, so that is nice. So now let's go over and see how much this one would run you if you were to get this case for your S24 Ultra. So this case would run you $49.95 plus tax. So like I said, they sent me over the green color. this is the look that you get. And the reason why they call it Playo Pro is because you get the MagSafe capability ring, and on the regular Plyo you do not. And this is a clear case also, so we're going to pick up my S24 Ultra, slap it in like so. You're going to get the exact same look and feel that you would get with the regular. This is just that this is the Pro version because it has the MagSafe capable ring. So you do get all the cutouts that you are supposed to have. Looks good, feels good. Like I said, if you place it flat down on the table, I just recommend you get a screen protector. But other than that, this is a nice looking and feeling case. And I'll make sure I drop a link in the description to where you can go pick both of these cases up for yourself. But I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.